It's Poppet time.
You see this? Yeah. Now we can play together.
What is a Poppet and why is it the new must-have fidget toy? The toy markets itself as something you can do when you feel anxious, relieving stress, and restoring your mood. The product may also help with fine motor skills in children.
How about the race? We do a challenge. Yeah. How about the race? How about the challenge? Okay, Arya. What's all these first? Yeah. They will win. Oops. These.
You will kiss.
3, 2. Ate, not yet.
The loser.
Wait, I'm gonna use this one.
Yes, a kiss from the loser.
3. Not yet. Oh, oops, yeah, I popped it. 3.
So if you want to get in the newest trend, you should consider buying a Poppet sooner than later. What's with Poppet, kids?
All about the Poppet you can trade, you can share. Also, yeah, it's very satisfying and it can help you when you're like stressed.
Well, it helps to relieve stress.
Ball doesn't make you stressed. It will calm down because it fidgets. Fidget toys. We love this. We've been waiting. Finally, it's here. Just
How many days your Poppet arrive?
5 days. 4 days. We have and then it comes.
Wow, amazing. Our Poppets have different shapes.
You can buy different shapes. Yeah, there's different more. There's Poppet, Wacky Track, and Snake, Monkey Noodles, and everything. And the Rubik's Cube. That's also a favorite toy, but I think you cannot.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Enjoy, kids.
These are called Poppets, so they make sounds. Thank you.
Arya, which Poppet shape you like?
This one I love the pumpkin. It's so rainbow. And this is a color paper. I guess this is like a
That's awesome.
This is cotton. I'm making this lemon.
KCD, would you like to show it to Andre?
Wait, if Andre was here, he said he will come back here when I'm 10. Yeah. So we get the fidget tray. I hope you're seeing this, Andre.
Surely, Andre gonna see it. Nice one, KCD.
Pop it, pop it, pop, pop. They are like the ones that
Can you tell us more about the Poppets?
Guys, so, as you can see the first video, yes, have you watched it?
Yeah, KCD.
Okay, good. So, there's so many things you can do. There's a buy and you don't want to use today, you want something colorful. Use Poppet!
Awesome.
And you can Poppet! You can use Poppet! Because it's, yeah. Poppet! You can also pop it in the cup.
What is it, Arya?
Poppet! So if you want to use it, yeah, you can.
Kids, did you enjoy playing the Poppet?
So fun. I love this.
Where did you learn about the Poppets?
I watched Poppet. I watched Fidget Trading. Have you guys watched it? Yes. Okay.
Sounds amazing. Good job, kids. Casey and Arya, now you can invite them to watch your video.
Also, our check out our YouTube channel and check out our CA sisters. Our TikTok channel name is CA sisters. Yeah, we have TikToks there. You can also follow. You can also follow us. Did you saw her and TikTok. Yeah. And also Facebook.
That's awesome, kids.
Alrighty. And I love the puppets. This is our first time getting puppets. Yeah. I know how to use them already because I watched. Yeah, you just have to pop this hole. And then you flip and then if you have two puppets, use this puppet or the circle one. So you can protect your drink.
Perfect. How about the sounds of Poppet?
I love the sound of the puppet because it's so satisfying. Right, guys? And I'm not crying anymore. Why? Because these ears not making me stress anymore.
Very good, Arya.
There's also a stress ball. It will not make you stress anymore because it's so soft. Also a needle. Needle is like a stress ball. It's so soft. What's needle? Oh, I know that. I like the stress ball, but it changes colors.
Have fun, kids.
99 pumpkin and bye bye bye. Hold up if you know the ground with the baby one more time. Hey, the picture of you and me on the day we were young, singing at the top of a balloon. No long.
Well, nice song, Arya. Can you sing one more time?
Not yet. We've been popping for 15 minutes, I guess.
That's awesome, KCD.
If you want a piece of me, I wish I didn't leave. She said, remove she still fly and I don't know why. Half this jaggedy wine.
Wow, good job, kids. Thank you for sharing this video. You kids, Casey and Arya are awesome.
Flip it.